हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल आज स्टडी अड्डा। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं चैप्टर मदर्स डे के क्वेश्चन आंसर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। दिस प्ले रिटन इन द 1915 इज अ ह्यूमरस एंड स्ट्रक्चरल डिपिक्शन ऑफ द स्टेटस ऑफ द मदर इन अ फैमिली। फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर द इशू इट रेसेस? आंसर, as this play depicts the old status of mothers, that's why it conveys that in those times, first, mothers were treated like a slave, or we can say a home appliances, just a care, latest, nothing else. Second, mothers were always taken for granted as if they did not have any like or dislike, or what would make them happy or sad. In short, she was thought to be the worst part for due best use in household jobs. Second, do you think it caricatures these issues, or do you think that the problems it raises are genuine? How does the play resolve the issue? Do you agree with the resolution? Answer, it caricatures the character of Mrs. Fitzgerald, put not the issues but her character through, because whatever she enacts, that all is for bettermost of Mrs. Person. The problem raised are genuine because it gives a genuine picture and condition of the family in 1550s. The play resolves the issue were dramatically, as whenever someone in problem, he wishes to be someone mightier to face and solve his problem skillfully. The same happen in the play and the issues are resolved. I do agree because true realization can only eradicate the civil issues forever. Question number 2. If you were to write about this issue today, what are some of the incidents, examples and problems that you would think of as relevant? Answer, Doris Pearson, the daughter of the family, was willing to go out with Charlie Spence, a mature person not that good and could even run her life, but she was mad about him. The same is happening today's era. The girls want to be out even late at night for them fun and frolic. Their companion should be mad about them and rich. If a fellow qualifies, there's two conditions: the girls would also go crazy. Today's woman is independent or think of her identity not like of the woman of 1950. Totally devoted to the family, as too much of everything is bad. Same in the case with women. Too much of negligence or suppression leads to depressing and demoralization. On the other hand, too much of liberty would also run the house. There are no parameters for conduct and behavior, because where our liberty ends, others' liberty starts. Question number 3. Is drama a good medium for conveying a social message? Discuss. Answer, drama is an effective medium for conveying a social message because it gives the segregated believed will easy to swallow and removes the disease as well. Drama stages the action and situations. When a person watches, imagines himself in those shoes and realizes, because a wearer only best knows where the shoe pinches. Such dramas are very effective because it conveys the message to the literate or illiterate, elder or younger, and urban or rural society individually. Question number 4. Read the play out in parts. Enact the play on a suitable occasion. Answer, enact in classroom. Question number 5. Discuss in group plays or films with a strong message of social reform that you have watched. Answer, teachers can help the students by dividing students into 4 groups. Example A, B, C, D. Each group should be given separate topic to enact within a week time. Question on appreciation. Question number 1. Write about the relationship between Mrs. F and Mrs. P which forced Mrs. F to help Mrs. P. Answer. Mrs. F and Mrs. P were neighbors and good friends too. Like other ladies, they share their joy and sorrow. This sharing made Mrs. F about Mrs. P's sorrows and weakness which pinched Mr. F a lot. Mr. F made up her mind to help Mrs. P in family affairs. If it was not possible to set the things right, therefore both of them exchanged their bodies, and it was a child play of Mrs. F. Later, Mrs. F, as Mrs. P, set Mrs. P's family affair in her own way. Question number 2. Comment on the contrast character of Mrs. F and Mrs. P. Answer. Mrs. F is older, heavier and strong and sinister personality. On the other hand, Mrs. P is a pleasant but worried-looking woman in 40s. Both are working opposite personality and they are different in their behavior too. That's why when Mrs. F settled Mrs. P family affair in an unpleasant way, it seems to be ironical and unbreakable to Mrs. P. So, they are opposite in every respect but good friends indeed, maybe because opposites attract each other. Question number 3. Detail any situation from the drama when Mrs. F call a spade and comment as well. Answer. Mrs. F as Mrs. P straighted way tells Mrs. George person that why he is going to club always and not spending time with his wife. Third, his wife always concerned for him. She also discloses the people at club are naming you Pompey Ompy person because they think you are slow and pompous. George gets upset and calls Cyril and clarify, but Cyril hesitantly that tells that it is true. George gets instructed and Cyril individually turns to Mrs. F and Mrs. P from unpolished behavior. She calls a spade very ironically, hurting the feeling of the judge. Question number 4. Express Rory's analytical thinking and assumption about Mrs. F and Mrs. P. Answer. Both of them faced a real setback when there was not even a tea for them. Moreover, Mom was planning to go out for a school meal. They thought their mom might have got hurt because insane. That's why she was doing such activities. They got annoyed when she carried on the same behavior with their father too. They were in tears when actual Mrs. P, the real mom, entered their house. She was welcomed as never before as a savior. Discussion. Question number 1. The way in which Mrs. F solved Mrs. P problems in humorous, realistic, ironical, imaginative or practical. Elaborate. Answer. The dramatic producer followed for solving the problem is humorous to the reader only. It is non-realistic as in real life we can't exchange our bodies or spirits. It is purely imaginative as everyone wishes to change himself and the situation with a magic chant, but we know it is not possible, but imaginations can go to any extent. It is practically impossible to misbehave with the family members and to treat harshly to convince or make them realize. Through love and emotion, everything can be made right. It is ironically because an outsider can only call a spade without caring about the feeling of others. Therefore, the way Mrs. F followed was completely unrealistic and ironical approach to solving the problem. Thank you so much for watching.